Going to look at moving and copying folders and cutting and pasting folders. For instance, let's say I go into the shopping section. Let's say I want to associate Tesco with, say, John Lewis up here, so I can right click on, and I want them to be together. I don't want them in alphabetical order. For some reason I just want them together, so I can right click on Tesco and say move folder up. I just keep doing that. There's a keyboard shortcut which I'm going to use now because it's a lot quicker. Where's Tesco gone? Oh, sorry, there's Tesco. There's John Lewis. So Tesco is now next door to John Lewis. I can put it right to the top, in fact, using the so I'll leave it there, under there. Now that's, and likewise I can move M&S down to, say, TruePrint. Again, I'll do it with the right click first, move down a folder, and for speed I'm just going to use the keyboard. Okay, so put it there. Right, now let's say TruePrint, I decide that's a social network, and I want to move it from here down to this section here. If I right click on TruePrint and say, no, let's do a copy folder. In fact, I'll keep them in both. Copy folder, right click, and right click on social networks and just do paste folder. Two arrows means is my symbol for copying, what to show that it stays where it is. If I, for instance, say wanted to cut Waitrose out and paste it down here in social networks, I'd right click and say cut folder, one folder, because it's not going to be there when I've moved it. Right click on social networks, paste folder, and there we go. So that's cut and paste and moving up and down, so it gives you some flexibility and organisation.